Hello everyone, I am Roshni Jain from RS Patel Polytechnic, Shirpur. In a previous lecture, we studied about the concept of numbers and classification of the numbers. Now, today we are going to learn examples on numbers. Let us see. The difference between a number and its 3/5 is a 50. What is number? There are four options are given here. A is a 75, B is a 100, C is a 125 and D is none of these. Solution is that let the number be the x. Then observe the question. The difference between a number, difference it means a minus, between a number and its 3/5 number is a 50. That's why x minus 3 upon 5x is equals to 50. Now calculate this term. 5x minus 3x divided by 5. So 2x upon 5 is equals to 50. In the next step, x is equals to 50 into 5 divided by 2 means divided by 5 transfer in the right side. This is a multiplied 50 into 5 divided by 2. So x is equals to 250 divided by 2 and x is equals to 125. So option C is correct, that is 125. Next, the sum of first 45 natural number is what? There are four options are given here. A is a 1035, B is a 1280, C option is a 2070, D option is a 2140. Let us see the solution. So this type of examples to solve by using a simple mathematical trick, Sn is equals to, Sn is a sum of n terms, n is a 45. Sum of n terms is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on up to 45. This is an arithmetic progression in which A is a first term, D is a difference between all these numbers, n is a nth term, that is a 45. Sum of n terms is equals to, this is a formula of arithmetic progression, n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Put all these value in this formula, that is equals to n is a 45 divided by 2 in bracket 2 into a is a 1 plus n is a 45 minus 1 into 1. In the next step, 45 divided by 2 and the bracket calculation is that 2 into 1 is a 2 plus 45 minus 1 is a 44 into 1. So 44 plus 2 is a 46, that is equals to 45 into 46 divided by 2, that is equals to 1035. So option A is correct, 1035. Next, the unit digit in the product 476 into 198 into 359 into 242 is what? There are again four options are given here. A is 2, B is 3, C is 4 and D is 5. Let us see the solution. Unit digit in the given product is equals to, so observe the question. So this product is a very large calculation. Only find unit digit. So first number is 476 in which 6 is a unit digit. This is a 6 into, in the second number 8 is a unit digit into, in the third number 9 is unit digit into, in the fourth number 242 in which 2 is unit digit. It means only multiplied by unit into unit digit. So 6 into 8 is a 48 into 9 into 2 is 18. Again observe the unit digit in this number. So 48 in which 8 is unit digit, and in the 18 again 8 is unit digit. So 8 into 8 is a 64, and in the last 64 in which 4 is the unit digit. So answer C is a correct, and 4 is the unit digit of this product. Next, what is the unit digit in the product 76 to the power 931 into 51 to the power 26? Again 4 options are given here. A option is a 1, B is 3, C is a 4, and D is 6. Now this type of example to solve by using a simple mathematical trick is that, so this note is, remember, if unit digit of base is, I repeat again, if unit digit of base is 0, 1, 5 and 6, for any power, answer will be same. For example, for any number in which 0, 1, 5 and 6. So observe this example. So in this number, base is 6. Unit digit of the base is 6. In this number, unit digit of the base is 1. So by using this note, calculate the unit digit of this product. For example, 5 to the power 1 is a 5. 5 to the power 2 is a 25. So unit digit is 5. 5 to the power 3, that is 5 into 5 into 5 is a 125. Again a unit digit is 5. Similarly, 5 into 5 into 5 up to n number of times 5 is multiplied, so unit digit will be 5. Always unit digit is 5. Similarly, 6, 0 and 1. So unit digit of the given number is 76 to the power 931 into 51 to the power 326. So by using this note, I repeat again, if unit digit of the base is 0, 1, 5 and 6, for any power, answer will be same. Means unit digit is always, so 6 to the power any number, unit digit is always 6. 1 to the power any number, answer will be 1. So 6 to the power, 6 is a unit digit, and to the power 931, so answer is 6. Only find unit digit, that's why it can be written as only 6 into 1 to the power 326, answer will be 1. That is equals to 6 into 1 is 6, and answer is D. D is a correct option. Now, in the next video lecture, we solve some another examples by using mathematical tricks. Okay, thank you.